Welcome to the ultimate animal quiz. Are you ready to test your animal knowledge? Let's see how many you can get right. What is the fastest land animal? Lion, cheetah, tiger. Cheetahs can run up to 75 miles per hour, faster than a car in the city. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Elephant, tiger, lion. Lions live in groups called a pride. How many legs does a spider have? 8, 10, 6. Eight. Spiders have 8 legs, not 6 like insects. What do pandas mostly eat? Fish, bamboo, leaves. Bamboo. Pandas spend 12 hours a day eating bamboo. Which bird can talk like humans? Parrot, crow, owl. Parrot. Some parrots can learn hundreds of words. What do you call a group of lions? Herd, pack, pride. Pride. A pride usually has 10 to 15 lions. Dolphins belong to which group? Mammals, fish, reptiles. Mammals. Dolphins breathe air like humans. Which is the biggest animal in the world? Hippopotamus, blue whale, elephant. Blue whales can weigh as much as 30 elephants. How long can a crocodile live? 50 to 70 years. 70 to 100 years. 20 to 30 years. "70 to 100 years. Some crocodiles can live over 100 years. Which animal can change its color? Gecko, chameleon, frog. Chameleon. Chameleons change color to hide or show emotions. Where do penguins live? Antarctica, Africa, South America. Antarctica. Penguins are amazing swimmers but cannot fly. How many humps does a camel have? 1, 3, 2. Two humps. Camels store fat in their humps, not water. Which animal lays the largest eggs? Ostrich, Chicken. Eagle. Ostrich. Ostrich eggs can weigh as much as 24 chicken eggs. What do koalas eat most? Bamboo, fruits, eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves. Koalas sleep 18 to 20 hours a day. Which ocean animal is smartest? Dolphin, octopus, shark. Dolphin. Dolphins can solve puzzles and learn tricks. True or false? All bats are blind. Not sure. True. False. False. Bats can see, and some use echolocation to find food. Which animal lives the longest? Whale, tortoise, elephant. Tortoise. Giant tortoises can live over 150 years. What do you call a baby kangaroo? Joey, calf, pup. Joey. Joeys stay in their mum's pouch for months. Where do polar bears live? Arctic, jungle, desert. Arctic. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to stay warm. Which animal can sleep standing up? Cat, horse, cow. Horse. Horses can lock their legs to sleep while standing. True or false? Octopuses have 3 hearts. True. Not sure. False. True. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. Which is the largest flying bird? Condor, albatross, eagle. Albatross. Albatrosses can fly for thousands of miles without stopping. Which animal has great memory? Cat, dog, elephant. Elephant. Elephants can remember friends and places for years. Fastest marine animal? Shark, sailfish, dolphin. Sailfish. Sailfish can swim over 68 miles per hour. What is it called when a caterpillar becomes a butterfly? Metamorphosis, molting, transformation. Metamorphosis. A caterpillar turns into a chrysalis before becoming a butterfly. True or false? Frogs drink water through their skin. False. True. Not sure. True. Frogs can absorb water directly through their skin. Which animal is the ship of the desert? Camel, llama, donkey. Camel. Camels can go days without water in the desert. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Elephant, giraffe, camel, giraffe. Giraffes can grow up to 19 feet tall, taller than a bus. Which animal is nocturnal, active at night? Owl, eagle, peacock. Owl. Owls have amazing night vision to hunt in the dark. Fastest bird in the world? Falcon, sparrow, eagle. Falcon. Peregrine falcons can dive at over 200 miles per hour. Keep exploring the amazing world of animals and see what new creatures you can discover. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.